Hello students, today we will discuss about RC coupled amplifier. We use multi-stage amplifier when the voltage amplification of a single stage amplifier is insufficient to meet the requirement. In multi-stage amplifier, the RC coupled amplifier, the output of the first stage is connected to the next stage through a RC coupling. This amplifier is used for voltage amplification. Figure A shows the two-stage of RC coupled amplifier. The various circuit elements and their functions are resistors R1, R2 and RE. These are used for biasing the transistor in active region, and the voltage divider biasing is used in this circuit. The input coupling capacitor C1 is used for coupling the AC signal to the base of first transistor Q1. As capacitor blocks DC, this capacitor blocks any DC component present in V1 and couples only AC component of the input signal. So the transistor biasing remains unchanged due to presence of coupling capacitor C1. The capacitor CE offers a low reactance to the amplified AC signal. Therefore, the resistance RE gets bypassed through CE for only AC signals. Because as AC acts as an open circuit for DC voltage, it does not bypass RE for DC conditions. Again, the transistor biasing condition remain unchanged due to presence of CE capacitor. The coupling capacitor C2 couples the output of first stage amplifier to the input of next stage amplifier. This capacitor C2 is also used for blocking the DC part and passing only AC part of the amplified signal of first stage to the second stage. In short, the coupling capacitor C2 isolates the DC of one stage from the next stage but allows the passage of AC signal. It means if it is not used, the biasing condition of second stage will be changed. Operation of RC coupled amplifier. When the AC input signal is absent, a quiescent DC collector current IC flows through the transistor and the collector emitter voltage is VCE. These are the operating values of transistor in DC condition. When a small AC signal is applied at the input of amplifier, it appears in the amplified form across its collector, and this amplified signal is given to the base of second stage transistor Q2 through coupling capacitor C2. The second stage further amplifies this signal and overall gain is increased. Frequency response curve of RC coupled amplifier. The typical frequency response curve of audio amplifier is shown in this figure. The frequency response curve is a graph of amplifier gain versus frequency of input signal. The practical frequency response can be divided into three regions as follows: low frequency region, mid frequency region and high frequency region. The low frequency region. In low frequency region, the gain decreases due to increased reactance of coupling capacitor and bypass capacitor. In mid frequency region, gain remains constant. As frequency increases from low frequency range, the reactance of C2 decreases, which increases the gain, while low reactance means higher loading effect, hence higher gain. And in high frequency region, the gain will decrease due to transistor internal capacitance and stray capacitance. At high frequency, reactance of C2 is small, and this increases the loading effect of second stage and lower the gain. Next is advantage and disadvantages of RC coupled amplifier. Advantages: low cost. First advantage is low cost. The circuit is very compact, and RC coupled amplifier provides a constant gain over a wide frequency range. Disadvantages: it has low power and low voltage gain. It has narrow bandwidth, and RC coupled amplifier has the tendency to become noisy with times. It has also poor impedance matching, so it cannot be used as a final stage of an amplifier. Applications: it is used in radio or TV receiver as a small signal amplifier, also used as in optical fiber communication, and in public addressing system as a preamplifier. Thank you.